If you have a walk-in shower where you use a curtain because you don't have a door, you might agree an issue with that is that if the curtain happens to be on the outside of the curve like this, and the water gets on the curtain, it can drip down and get on the floor of your bathroom, which can create a big mess. And one of my kids actually did that. The water seeped through the floor at the joints, and it went down and wrecked my kitchen ceiling, and I had to get a whole new ceiling put in. They actually make a solution for the bottom of the curtain. They'll stay down where you place it versus billowing out and letting the water run all over the floor. Very simple to put these on the curtain. This is a 4-pack that comes in blue. There's other multiple colors of these, and there's also an 8-pack. Very strong magnet, and what I like about these, they are completely wrapped in a silicone cover. That makes them great because silicone is not going to rust, and it's also not going to easily tear off. Silicone is very, very durable, and should they get kind of slimy or scaly, you can easily wipe them off. This is only going to take seconds to attach them. And notice how I can pick the curtain up and they don't fall off very easily. They're very strong magnets, so they're going to stay in place. Now with them strategically placed at the bottom of the curtain, the water is going to continue to run back into the shower rather than on the outside of the shower. This is an easy, affordable way that could have saved me a lot of hassle in the long run.